Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will present our discussion in the course translation for general purpose. Before introducing our group member, my name is Dedi Prasetyo, Belladonna Anesaripa, Megawati, Rianti Putri. Translation for general purpose. Eli Lilly said its antibody treatment does not work on patients hospitalized with COVID-19. The drug maker Eli Lilly said on Monday that its antibody treatment was effective on patients hospitalized. Advanced COVID-19 and that a government-sponsored trial was not administered. The drug to no participant, the company said that other trial of the treatment in people who are not as sick or who have been exposed to the virus will continue, and that it remain optimistic that the treatment could work if given early in the course of the disease.
Earlier this month, Chris Christie, the former governor of New Jersey, said she had received the experimental treatment shortly after she was diagnosed with COVID-19. President Trump received the similar therapy made by Regeneron soon after he was infected. Both companies have applied to the Food and Drug Administration for the emergency use of the treatment in outpatients. Awal bulan ini, Chris Christie, mantan gubernur New Jersey, mengatakan bahwa ia telah menerima perawatan eksperimental tak lama setelah ia didiagnosis dengan COVID-19. Presiden Trump menerima terapi serupa yang dibuat oleh Regeneron setelah ia terinfeksi. Kedua perusahaan telah menerapkan permohonan kepada administrator obat dan makanan untuk penggunaan darurat pengobatan pada pasien rawat jalan. Eli Lilly's trial of hospitalized patients was being run by the National Institute of Allergy, Infectious Diseases, part of the National Institutes of Health, and was paused 2 weeks ago after an outside safety panel pledged a potential safety concern. Uji coba Eli Lilly terhadap pasien yang dirawat di rumah sakit dijalankan oleh Institut Nasional Alergi dan Penyakit Menular, bagian dari National Institute of Health, dan dihentikan 2 minggu setelah panel keamanan luar menandai potensi masalah keamanan. Officials said at the time that an independent board of scientific experts had found that after 5 days, the treatment of the groups, the patients who had received the antibodies showed a different clinical status than the group who had received a saline placebo, a difference that crossed a predetermined threshold for safety. Pejabat pemerintah pada saat itu mengatakan Dewan Ahli Ilmiah Independen telah menemukan bahwa setelah 5 hari pengobatan, kelompok pasien yang telah menerima antibodi menunjukkan status klinis yang berbeda dibandingkan kelompok yang menerima placebo salin. Perbedaan yang telah melewati ambang keamanan yang telah ditentukan sebelumnya.
On Monday, Eli Lilly said the recommendation to discontinue of the antibody treatment called bamlanivimab was based on trial data suggesting that bamlanivimab is unlikely to help hospitalized COVID-19 patients recover from this advanced stage of their disease. The company also said the difference in safety outcomes between the groups were not significant. Pada hari Senin, Eli Lilly mengatakan rekomendasi untuk menghentikan pengobatan antibodi yang disebut bamlanivimab didasarkan pada data percobaan yang menunjukkan bahwa bamlanivimab tidak mungkin membantu pasien COVID-19 yang dirawat di rumah sakit untuk pulih dari tahap lanjut penyakit mereka. Perusahaan juga mengatakan perbedaan hasil keamanan antara kelompok tidak signifikan. Dr. Annie Topol, a clinical trial expert in the Scripps Research Institute who has been following the treatment's development, to the news tells us they stopped the trial due to futility as suspected and that it suggests that the timing of monoclonal antibody administration early will be important. Dr. Eric Topol, seorang ahli uji klinis dari lembaga penelitian Scripps yang telah mengikuti perkembangan pengobatan, mengatakan berita itu memberitahu kami bahwa mereka menghentikan uji coba karena futility seperti yang dicurigai, dan itu menunjukkan bahwa waktu pemberian antibodi monoklonal lebih awal akan menjadi penting. Other trials of antibody treatment have shown early promise in people who were newly infected with the virus, showing that it can lower viral levels in patients and reduce visit to the emergency room and hospital. Uji coba pengobatan antibodi lainnya telah menunjukkan janji awal pada orang yang